Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products, the small tiny house right here. As you can see, we have a plenty equipment mounted right at front. This a window with a security grills at the front, and you can see the air conditioning at the tops. And we're looking down the bottoms. We're having the electric plugs right here. Open the clips, you will open the box. You see the plugs have a converter key at the front. And we keep looking here. We have two liquid gas tanks, and they're using the heaters right here. Also, look at the back. You will see here is the water input right here. Also, we can see the tail lights connections. This one can plug on your car with the tail lights. And this is a really strong hinge and handling all the things. And let's take a look at the overall sizes for the units. Entirely, the units will be about like 10 feet in the length and 8 feet in the depth, and about like 9 feet and 2 inches in the tall. This is overall sizes. And let's go ahead and take a look at the back side. This is the back side of the small tiny house. We have a trailer's tail lights right here. Also, we have a DMA license plate right here. This one is transferable. We can give to you. And also, we're looking at the back. You see this pipe? You can exhaust there's a toilet on top of it. So you can exhaust the switch all lights connection right here. The diameter is about like 3 inches. Now let's go ahead to take a look at the inner side. So we have a stairs right here, and the door have a lockers. You can simply open it. For the inner side, we can see the air conditioning on top of it, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the all lights for your power connections, and adjust temperature just over there. We also have remote controls, and you can see we have like a full size the mattress right here with the frame, and they also have the light switches right here. We have a lights on top, and keep looking down. We can see they have a washer room. As you can see, we have a toilet right here, and this one really small one, but it's really comfort to use when you're using this small house. And also we're having the shower here, taking the shower, the split right here, and washing the hands right here, and have the mirrors. And you can change the lights. There is one light right here, and the power switch right here for the heaters. And that's all the things for this inner side. Thank you for watching these videos. And if you have more questions, you need more details, just contact with us. Thank you.